spiritual quest is the quest for that ultimate positive. That positive is not the negative of anything. That ultimate is beyond all the positives and negatives that you can ever think of. That ultimate is not the positive thought. You cannot reach it through affirmations. When you negate everything that you can think of, when you negate even your chase for happiness in the world, then you reach that. You also need to negate all the efforts, all the seeking to reach that. Your seeking is your unseeking, because that ultimate is always there. Due to ignorance, we make our life effortful. We chase happiness. We overthink and thereby lose touch with the real, simple happiness. A true teacher will not give you anything positive to work upon. He will leave you empty. It would be difficult for you initially to bear that emptiness. It may look awkward to be empty without any effort, without any stress, without any chase, without any desire, without any motive. But if you can bear that emptiness, you will, for the first time, come in contact with that ultimate. What man is doing right now is like a beggar sitting outside a temple, always begging for penny money. What is to be noted is that where this beggar is sitting, just beneath that there is huge reservoir of wealth, unlimited wealth and happiness. Then why beg? It is because the beggar does not know. He spends his whole life on that earthly plane, dirty, spoiled. He does not even take bath most of the time. Keeps begging for little joys of life. But if he gives up that begging, he may feel insecure initially. He may have to bear a little hunger. He may have to initially bear the vagaries of nature, the heat, the cold, the rain, the snow. But if he can bear through that initially, then he would be sucked inside. The Supreme will open its arms and he would be liberated from the worldly planes from the surface level life, he would be liberated. It may look a bit difficult initially because that beggar is addicted to begging. He is unable to stop that. It may look impractical for you to give up all desires and sit quietly. But the spiritual approach is not impractical. You can still stay engaged with life. You can still live a normal life and be also a spiritual person. You cannot theorize something which you haven't tried. As a scientist, experiment with the spiritual life and see for yourself. That ultimate is begging you to give up your begging. He is ready to embrace you.